Specialized tool that BMW cannot supply. To really search far and wide to get this tool that helps you adjust this door. It's trial and error, okay? You've got to stick with us. It's a very specialized tool. I'm going to show you the tool now, and we're going to try and experiment and see if this actually works. I've got to err inside of caution. I'm going to reveal the very special tool for you. It is highly specialized. Here it is. Hi everybody, welcome back to Retro Car Dogs. We're going to run through, this might be a combination of videos of, we're going to do the window, we're going to do something else on the mountain and things like that. But thanks for supporting us. We ask that you subscribe, share and like, tell all your buddies. And if you're an E3 fan and you're watching us, hopefully some of the things we're doing might be of use to you. I know the videos might not be content that is of interest to the bigger picture of people, but this is fixing little things on the BM, and if you've got one and you don't know how to do it, we don't know how to do it either. We're doing fixing things and learning and making mistakes, and hopefully you can learn from our mistakes. So what I'm going to do today is show you that I'm going to try and fix this particular frame on this door here. So if the camera comes a little closer, you're going to notice that here the frame sticks out. Okay, so when we were washing the car the other day, and if you come over here, this frame doesn't fit flush here, and there's a gap in there. So when we were washing the car the other day, the whole seat was full of water. So I realized that this frame is not right. It must have been bent at some stage. So when I looked inside the door itself, I couldn't find, at the bottom of the rail, I couldn't find anything that adjusts it to tilt it that way to actually get the seal and the bodywork to close together. So what I've done is, there's a very specialized tool that BMW cannot supply. So we had to really search far and wide to get this tool that helps you adjust this door. So it's trial and error, okay? You've got to stick with us. It's a very specialized tool. I'm going to show you the tool now, and we're going to try and experiment and see if this actually works. And we've got to be very careful that we don't damage possibly the window or anything in when we do this. Got to err inside of caution. I'm going to reveal the very special tool for you. It is highly specialized. Here it is. One Coca-Cola bottle. Specialized tool. BMW do not sell this. Your local Coke dealer will sell this tool for you. So what the process is, and this is a tip I've been given from another old craftsman who knows, is take it, we stick it in here, okay, in there. So what it does is it protects the door from damage. Now if you come up here, what I'm supposed to do is put my hands here, push, and then hopefully bend the top of the frame in. Not that I might have enough strength or weight to do this, but it does it subtly apparently, so that it gets a slight bend so that it closes and seals properly. Whether I can do that or not, I don't know. Okay, let's see if that was successful or not. Oh! It worked! Coke bottle. So the gap here is not perfect. I'm going to work on that a little bit, but this gap here was where the real problem lay. This is now flush. I don't know if you can see it. So what I need to do is put that back in and focus my energy here to get this one in, because I can literally put my finger through inside here and I can see it there. So the water's going to come in there when you're driving. So let's do it again. Focus my energy there. Coke bottle back in, and much better, but still not 100%. Much better. Yeah, I can do it a little bit more. Let's give it another go. Excuse the facial expressions. I'm going to take my 5'7" frame of about 78 kilos and try and do this. It's not easy. Let's see if we've been successful. Oh, big improvement. Yeah. huge improvement. I think that might have done the trick. It's now flush there, which is great. Before it was sticking out. So I think I'm not gonna, yeah, that's a lot better. It can go a little bit more actually. Yeah, I think I'll tweak it one more time there. So, let's hope. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So the test will be now, I'm happy with that. It is closed really nicely, so the rubber seal is now sealing against the bodywork. So what I'll do, because before there was a gap through here and a gap through here, so the only way we'll know, out of breath, is the next time we wash the car to see if there's any water on the seat when we wash the car. So that was just a quickie. Trusty Coke bottle. Seems to work. I've bent the frame right. And I'm happy days. So we're going to move on to some other stuff now. And we'll let you know if this leaks or not when we next wash the car. So we're going to move on to the next section of this video. So we're going to be addressing the crooked engine mounting. So stay tuned for that one.